FN Sharp presents How to Smoke Pork Chops. What a delicious meal. It's worth every bit of energy put into it. Using the FN Sharp utility knife and chef's knife, working with a pork loin, not to be confused with a tenderloin. Very different cut of meat, much skinnier, much smaller. I'm squaring off the end here with the utility knife, and then I'll grab the chef knife and cut some nice thick 1.5 to 2 inch pork chops. You'll save money by doing this, and by playing role of the butcher, you'll be able to decide how thick you want your pork chops, and you'll decide whether or not you'd like to trim the fat or how much you'd like to trim. Sprinkling from quite a height just to get a nice even layer, pat it into the meat. You can buy some store-bought spice rubs for your barbecue, or you can use what you have on hand. Make sure to get both sides of the pork chop and set those aside while the smoker's getting ready. No matter what kind of smoker you have, 225 degrees Fahrenheit is what you're looking for. I have a pellet smoker here. You want to choose a nice fruit wood to go with pork. Fruit and pork always go together very nicely. And we'll let them go for about 40 minutes until an internal temp of 135 to 140 Fahrenheit, and let that smoke roll again about 40 minutes roughly. You always want to check the internal temp to make sure. Then when you have about 10 minutes left on your cook, that's when you're going to go ahead and glaze them. I have 2 different glazes. One is a fresh blueberry barbecue glaze. The other one, a little hot sauce added into some barbecue sauce that was store-bought. Just get them glazed up, let them run for another 10 minutes until they get all tacky and delicious. And then to slice up our pork chops, the FN Sharp steak knife. That's right, steak knife can be used more than just steak. Beautiful pork chops, pair it up with some fresh fruit in season, like some peaches, maybe a little tangy blue cheese to go with that too for some contrast, some fresh chives. Give them a rough chop using the FN Sharp Santoku knife, and then you can pair it with any sides you like. I'm going with some macaroni and cheese. How classic. And we'll also serve it up with some greens, some roasted Brussels sprouts to get in those veggies with a little bacon. That doesn't hurt. Make sure to check out fnsharp.com for more.